In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice number in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to update your invoice numbering so your next invoices follow the sequence you want without affecting any that you've already sent. Start on your Xero dashboard. From here, look for the company menu at the top of the page. This is the menu that gives you access to your organization-wide options. Click it to open the drop-down. If you don't see the company menu, you might be in a different area of Xero or you may not have the right permissions, so make sure you're in the correct organization and that your user role allows access to settings. Next, choose Settings. This is where Xero groups all the controls that affect how your organization behaves, from users and subscriptions through to invoice preferences. Once you're in Settings, select Invoice Settings. This section controls the way your sales invoices look and behave, including the numbering sequence that Xero uses. Within Invoice Settings, open Default Settings. This is the place where you set the standard behavior that Xero applies every time you create a new invoice. Look for the field that defines your invoice number. In most cases, you'll see a Next Invoice Number or similar box. Click into that field and edit the number to the point where you want your next invoice to start. For example, if you enter 1050, the next new invoice will be 1050 and the one after that will be 1051 and so on. A few tips as you update this. Choose a sequence that's clear and consistent for your records. If you use prefixes like 2026 or INV, keep them simple and avoid special characters that might confuse other systems. Make sure you're not duplicating a number you've already used, especially if you integrate with other apps. Many tax authorities require invoices to be sequential and gap-free, so set a number that continues your sequence accurately. And remember, changing this setting affects new invoices going forward. It won't change numbers on any invoices you've already issued. When you're happy with the new number, click Save. Xero will store this as your default, and the next time you create an invoice, you'll see the updated sequence applied automatically. If you share invoicing responsibilities with a team, let them know you've updated the numbering so everyone stays consistent. That's it. You've updated your invoice number in Xero quickly and correctly, keeping your records clean and compliant while saving time on every new invoice you create.